to My Natural Hair Delights, where you can enjoy rocking your natural hair with all natural ingredients. My name is Brittany Shine, and today I'm going to show you natural hairstyle number 17. So I am almost done with the 24 natural hairstyle series. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. This is where I help inspire ladies to rock their natural hair with different natural hairstyles that you can choose from. So if you go to my playlist, you can check out the 24 natural hairstyles, and I have it all the way up into this episode, and I'm planning to complete the 24 natural hairstyle series. Okay, so I have a few more hairstyles to show you all what you can do to rock on your own natural hair. Okay, if you have not yet checked out the first natural hairstyle, you can go check it out at the playlist, and I have the link in the comment below. Okay, so check it out. But today I'm going to show you natural hairstyle number 17, and this is what it looks like. So I call this the twist wrap. I don't know if there's like another name for this particular hairstyle, but basically what I have done was I just twisted my hair to the side, and then I just kind of gave it like a little fancy style. And I actually have a full tutorial of this hairstyle, so if you want to learn step by step and have like a visual tutorial of how to do this particular hairstyle, you can simply go to my website at mynaturalhairdelight.com/hair courses. So this is what my hairstyle looks like, and I'm just going to show you a quick turnaround of what this particular hairstyle looks like. Do is you can wrap your hair around. Okay, so you can like twist your hair all the way, and then you can rock like a nice side little twist out on the side. You can also rock it that way, or you can leave your twist down without doing the extra fancy pin down twist as I have done here. And so you can do it anyway. I'm going to show you the side because I feel like the side is very unique looking. And basically what I just did was I just combined the twist in the back and just simply pinned it down. And then as I worked my way to the front, I just pinned it down. So I just kind of rolled it up like a donut and just pinned it down. And if I see any parts that are sticking up, I just simply use a bobby pin and just pin it down. You may only need 5, but if your hair is thick and long, you may need about 10 to 15, maybe even 20. No, not 20. I would say 10 to 15. And it also depends on the size of the bobby pins. I use the regular size bobby pins. I don't really like to use the large bobby pins for whatever reason. I like to use regular bobby pins. That's what I'm used to. So just regular black bobby pins. That's what I like to use, okay? So thank you all for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, share, and subscribe to My Natural Hair Delights. And I will talk to you all again soon. Bye-bye.